The 1912, the flood year, that washed the shoes out of the fields and that rained there 2 or 3 days, and I thought I'd never got to leave off no more. Of course, our corn was all wet. I dried some of them, you know, but where they stood up on a shark, but them what were laid down, they were putrid, they were.
I'll never forget that. That was that hot summer. Very hot summer. The old hens was going about dragging the wings on the ground. Yeah. The old ducks come out of the pond, they'd have them soon back in again because that was so hot.
Norfolk has a long tradition of preserving its wildlife by protecting natural features. The spring at Burnham Norton has been flowing since at least 1241, when Carmelite friars chose this spot to build their monastery in Norfolk. Although the friary at Burnham Norton was never very important, it was the earliest in the county of the White Friars. The Carmelites had come here from Mount Carmel in Palestine after being driven out by the Turks in 1238. Apart from its recorded history, all that remains of the friary is its gatehouse in a meadow conveniently beside the local school.
In particular, there were some pictures of horsemen in the sea. Well, we wondered what it could be, and so we phoned up a friend of mine, Henry Bett, who lives on the coast near Brancaster, and said, "Do you know anything about it?" "Yes," he said, "I remember them as a child. They were shrimping." At the same time, by sheer coincidence, we heard that this was going on still in Belgium.
It's curious that this picturesque remnant of our own history has been carrying on unnoticed just the other side of the English Channel.